add some trust.
The thing is that we cannot risk your money. We keep them in a safe place, and our immediate liquidity is 100%.
Yeah, I mean, also, like it says, you are not a state bank and we're a small team, never heard of. Well, I mean, the regulator has trusted us. They've given us a license, so I mean, to operate as a payment institution and to do all of the operations that we're doing. So I think that you might not know us personally, but you can trust a European regulatory body. I mean, if you're talking about getting licensed in Gibraltar, all right, maybe not. But if you're talking about a European license, you know, I think that should really help with some trust.
Yeah, and actually, so that's why we have a license. I mean, just to add some trust
To operate it, first of all, yeah.
We have, why did you prolong your ICO? That's a good question.
Yeah, well, there are two reasons for that. First of all, we're not able to market ICO in some jurisdictions, and we had to spend some time drafting user agreements and token purchase agreements to be able to market on those jurisdictions. Second of all, we were not able to accept wire payments for token purchases, and we think it's a significant part. This is why we did prolong the ICO.
Okay, so we have a couple, actually, people are still watching and giving us some more comments. So we have, is Saifu token a security or a utility token? Good question, Harry.
Well, you can compare it to an airline mile. You fly by your favorite airline, you get rewarded by miles. You can buy tickets with those miles and have free flights. You can also, you have some tiers like silver, gold, and platinum client with which you can visit business lounges and so on. You can also give it to your friend or buy a ticket for your friend, or maybe sell it to someone.
So yeah, I mean, essentially it's a utility token. You use the token to in our platform for buying and selling token, or buying and selling cryptocurrency and using any other operation. So it's something that you need to use our system, to use our platform. If you've got just 3 words to describe and promote your project, which words would you choose?
Well, easy, secure, and regulated.
Yeah, we're well prepared.
Thank you for that question, Konstantin. We wanted a chance to say that, definitely. We have, what will happen if governments ban all public ICOs before the end of yours? Will we be refunded or else? Interesting question. I mean, it seems unlikely that all governments will ban ICOs before the end of our ICO, right?
Yeah, I think this is a fair answer.
But yeah, I mean, maybe if you're from a country where they start banning ICOs, maybe that's like a more interesting question.
Yeah, well, actually, there's a count on our website, and we hold talks with several funds and family offices, and expect some private sales very soon. So I don't think that's going to happen before the next successful deal.
Yeah, I mean, we're also like monitoring all laws in different countries and the things that are changing. And so if we see that you can't.
Well, we have those talks with our compliance team several times a day. So you must be assured that we monitor those risks, and we're well aware of what and where we can or what we cannot do.
We also have one last question from all these chats. Is the smart contract verified by independent auditors?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, actually, it's yeah. I mean, since the one of the
Can we say who?
Yes, we can. Yes, actually, it's our. I mean, yeah, since the security is the top priority for us. Yes, actually, it was verified and audited by the Positive Technologies. So, and we will be publish the report pretty soon. So it will be available on our landing page.
It's also up on GitHub, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, GitHub, I mean, yeah, so people can do the audit by themselves because we have the source code of our contract on GitHub, but they also can read we'll be able to read security audit report from Positive Technologies.
Oh, we have a new live chat question. I think this will be our last question because we're almost at an hour and a half of being up here. So I understand you are highly regulated and licensed, but what if MasterCard makes a business decision to stop cryptocurrency purchased by card? I think maybe we should explain some details.
Purchased by cards?
Yeah.
Well, we don't use MasterCard to purchase
No, I mean,
cryptocurrencies.
I guess the idea is like if you have your card and it's linked to
your wallet,
to your BTC
Yeah.
account.
No, I think, I mean, the question is about like purchase. And actually recently, I mean, we were like a wave in media, and the idea is actually this is what makes us different from the wallets, because first of all, we're payment institutions, so actually, and technically, legally, it's not like, then the customer tops up his account for his card, what MasterCard or Visa card, it's not purchasing cryptocurrency with that card, actually, it's topping up his account. That's the main difference.
The difference between us and companies that offer services of tying a prepaid card to a wallet is that their single service is this tie with wallet to a card. We offer a prepaid card for an account. So an account can be fiat or crypto. So this is not the only, this is just a little part of what we do, a significant part, but still, we have a lot of other services, and this is not the only thing that we offer.
Okay, so I mean, maybe we want some closing words, because we've got to get out of here. We got our trip to prepare for. This AMA was really fun.
Yeah.
I actually quite like interacting with everybody. I hadn't done one of these before. I think maybe we'll plan some more of these for the future if we can get some time in. Unfortunately, we can't do them in other languages. My French isn't as good as some. But yeah, this has been really good.
Yeah, so thank you.
Yeah, so
Thank
thanks
you guys
everybody.
for being
Thank
with
you.
us.
Yeah, thanks. And hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Catch us in Telegram. That's a really good place to talk to us. You can go on Twitter and Facebook too. Telegram is probably the fastest way where you can get a lot of really good answers. And get in touch.
Yeah, I think it's important to mention, so we'd like to invite, people for beta testing.
Oh,
soon.
yeah.
It's, I think it's really important.
Yeah, drop us a note on Telegram. Say that you want to participate.
Yeah.
Okay, so bye everyone.